This is question 1 from exercise 10.8 in Project Maths 1. 66 pupils were asked in a survey if they like rock music, or classical music, C, or neither. The results are shown in the Venn diagram, and we have to then read the information of the Venn diagram to answer the questions: how many said they like both, how many said they like rock music, how many said they like classical music, how many said they like neither, and how many said they like only one of these types of music. So let's go through this bit by bit. For question 1, how many said they like both? So this Venn diagram we've got to look at here. These numbers inside each of these sections don't represent a single element this time. What they actually represent is the number of people in that section. So for example, this 15 here in the middle represents 15 people that are in the set that like rock music and are also in the set that like classical. So these 15 people like both. The way we can tell this apart from Venn diagrams where the numbers actually represent elements of the set is that when the numbers represent elements, there'll be a point next to them because all the elements will be represented by labeled points in the Venn diagram. So that's why we can tell this time that these numbers represent the count that's within each section rather than an element in each section. Let's take a look at part 2. For part 2, we're asked how many people like rock music. And the mistake that might have been made on this would be to just say 30. But that wouldn't be right. And the reason that wouldn't be right is that these 30 people liked just rock music. But these 15 people in here liked both rock and classical. So the 15 people that are in the middle also like rock music. They just happen to like classical as well. So when we're asked how many people like rock music, we're asked how many people are in the circle or entirely. And in this case, it's going to be 30 plus 15, so that's going to be 45. Now if we take a look at part 3, we're asked how many said they like classical music. So we're going to follow the same reasoning as how we got to 45 for the previous answer. How many people like classical music is the amount of people in the whole of the C circle. So it's going to be 15 and 12. And if we add them together, we get 27. And then for part 4, we're asked how many like neither. Well, the people who like neither wouldn't be inside either of these circles, because the people inside the OR circle like rock music, the people inside the C circle like classical music. So anybody who liked neither of those must be outside. And we can see there's a number outside there, which is 9. So 9 people liked neither. And the last one, part 5 on this, how many people liked only one of these types of music? The wording can be a little tricky on this, but it kind of makes sense when you think about it. These people in here, these 15 in the middle, they liked 2 types of music. And the people outside, they liked neither of these types of music. But the people over to the left, the 30 people in OR that aren't in C, and the 12 people in C that aren't in OR, they both liked, those two groups only liked one type of music. So the number of people that liked only one type of music out of this set is going to be 30 and 12, so it's going to be 42 people. And that is that.